Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to coordinate a hackathon event using Airtable, the 2025 full guide. First things first, we need to create a new base on Airtable for our hackathon event. This is where all the magic happens. Here, we can manage everything from participants, schedules, to judges and sponsors. Keep your base organized because it's the backbone of your coordination efforts. Now that we've done that, we move to creating tables. Create at least 4 tables: participants, projects, judges, and sponsors. The reason we do this is to have a dedicated space for each key aspect of the event. Participants table holds registration info, the projects table for project submissions, judges for scoring and feedback, and sponsors for tracking contributions. Next up, we link these tables together. For instance, link each project in the projects table to a participant in the participants table. This helps us because it creates a dynamic, interconnected system. We can easily track who is working on what project and who their judges are. Let me explain why this matters. When you're coordinating a hackathon, efficiency is key. Having all this information interconnected helps you make quick, informed decisions. Now we set up the views. Airtable allows you to create different views for your tables, like a calendar view for schedules or a gallery view for projects. Here's what's happening behind the scenes when you do this. You're essentially customizing your workspace to meet your specific needs. This way, you can have a bird's-eye view of the entire event at a glance. The last step, and arguably the most important, is to share your base with your team. Airtable makes collaboration easy. You can share the entire base or specific views with your team, allowing everyone to stay on the same page. And there you have it, a quick guide on how to coordinate a hackathon event using Airtable. Remember, the key is to keep everything organized and interconnected. Thanks for tuning in. We'll catch you in the next one.